Top 5 Humidifier. A humidifier is a device designed to increase moisture levels in the air, combating dryness and promoting a comfortable indoor environment. By emitting water vapor or steam, humidifiers alleviate issues like dry skin, irritated sinuses, and respiratory discomfort. They are particularly beneficial in arid climates or during winter when heating systems can deplete moisture. Humidifiers come in various types, including evaporative, ultrasonic, and steam vaporizers, catering to different needs. Regular use can enhance overall well-being by maintaining optimal humidity levels, preventing static electricity, and supporting respiratory health. Selecting the right humidifier depends on individual preferences, room size, and desired features. Number 5. AquaOasis Cool Mist Humidifier. The AquaOasis Cool Mist Humidifier offers efficient and quiet operation for both bedrooms and large rooms. With a sizable 2.2-liter water tank, it provides extended use to maintain optimal humidity levels. The ultrasonic technology ensures a quiet misting process, creating a comfortable atmosphere for better sleep or work. Equipped with auto shut-off functionality, it enhances safety by turning off when the water level is low. This ultrasonic humidifier pumps relief immediately and effectively. Feel better in minutes. The 360-degree rotation nozzle allows for customizable mist direction. AquaOasis Cool Mist Humidifier is a reliable solution for combating dry air and promoting a healthier indoor environment. Number 4. LEVOIT Humidifiers. LEVOIT humidifiers provide advanced features with 6-liter capacity. The top-fill design ensures easy refilling. Equipped with smart app and voice control capabilities, users can adjust settings from anywhere. Enjoy 4x faster humidification, auto mode, and nearly silent noise level, less than 30 dB, for better baby care. Evening brings exclusive plant care with plant mode, and enjoy sweet dreams with sleep mode. With auto mode feature, advanced sensors adjust humidity levels to maintain a consistent and healthy environment. It runs for up to 60 hours, covering an area of 505 square feet, ensuring all-day comfort. The quick humidification ensures a peaceful atmosphere during rest. Number 3. Pure Enrichment Humidifier. The Pure Enrichment Mist Air Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is ideal for ever spaces like bedrooms, nurseries, offices, and around indoor plants. Its ultrasonic cool mist technology safely and quickly moisturizes dry air for up to 25 hours of continuous operation. This BPA-free humidifier is non-toxic and 100% safe for the whole family. High and low speed settings combined with a 360 degrees mist nozzle, 1.5-liter tank, water tank cap, cleaning brush make it user-friendly. Featured with overnight operation, optional night light, and whisper quiet operation ensures peaceful sleep with healthy humidity level without any disturbance. Its ultrasonic technology produces a fine cool mist that helps alleviate dry air, promoting better breathing and skin health. The sleek and transparent water tank is easy to fill, and automatic shut-off feature turns the humidifier off when the water level is low or the tank is removed. Number 2. Dreo Humidifier. The Dreo Humidifiers is a next-gen humidifier, creates a supersized mist of up to 40 inches tall for humidifying bedrooms. With a 4L easy top-fill design, this supersized cool mist humidifier provides extended runtime up to 32 hours on a single fill. Dreo's ultrasonic atomization brings noise down to 28 dB. Enjoy quiet sleep without hearing a thing. This humidifier releases 5 micrometers ultrafine mist and lighter mist particles, allowing humidity to spread evenly across the room without wetting surfaces. Bring comfort to every moment. It ideal for large rooms, bedrooms, nurseries, and plant environments, allows users to enjoy aromatherapy benefits. This humidifier creates a supersized 4-inch wide mist, and 40 inches high mist hydrates air instantly. Number 1. ASAKUKI Humidifier. The ASAKUKI Premium Essential Oil Diffuser is perfect for different occasions like get up, work, tea time, yoga, and sleep. This hassle-free remote control diffuser offers a comprehensive aromatherapy experience. With a generous 500 ml capacity, enjoy 18 hours healthy humidity. Fill with fragrance and ultrafine mist in 1 second, creating a fragrant and soothing atmosphere. With the upgraded ultra-quiet fan, the noise level is lower than 23 dB, which is quieter than gentle sound of breathing. This device functions as a 5-in-1 ultrasonic aromatherapy diffuser, humidifier, vaporizer, timer, and features 7 LED light colors, multiple mist nebulizer modes, and an auto-off safety switch. It also features a large and easy-to-clean 500 ml water tank for last through the night without refill. Thanks for watching the video. The links of the products we discuss in this video are provided in the video description. Please check out the video description and find the product links to buy your favorite products. If you think the video is helpful, please like, share and comments the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.